Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Pixel 6 Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now we have to find the apps. They should be on the third position. Now let's tap on Special App Access and here let's find Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, just like in my case. And if you'd like to allow a particular app to install something, simply tap on it. I will pick Chrome, and now let's tap on this switcher. Now we have to go back, and as you can see, from now on, the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So just by activating them, you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. Remember about that. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, and you can always turn off the permissions. All you have to do is to simply tap on it and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Pixel 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.